What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back into the Universal Orlando Resort. It's been about a week or so since we've been here. We're going to see what's new with Jimmy Fallon and Fast and Furious, as well as show some Mardi Gras highlights. So let's head inside the park and check it all out. Alrighty guys, so we are here at Universal Studios Florida, the entrance now, and we can see the Mardi Gras sign. It is running February 4th through March 25th, and from what I can see, it looks a little bit busy down there right now. We're heading in right now. Well, this is beautiful. We have two different booths open, 4 turnstiles, to the left and to the right. So that means we're getting in right away. It's a beautiful night out, somewhere in the 70s, low 70s. Perfect. Despicable Me right now has about a 30-minute wait, which is not bad, again, considering it used to be 45, 50 a lot of the time. But yeah, everything looking good on the midway so far. New over in the amphitheater area right next to Rocket is this sign showing off the different concerts, and we have Neo that just played this past weekend. Trace Adkins did play already as well. Next one coming up is Collective Soul, and then we have more Mardi Gras merchandise over here. Shirts and shot glasses again, mixed with other IPs like Minions. I gotta say, the concert stage looks fantastic. All the lighting right here looks very, very nice, and I'm sure this place is rocking whenever they have concerts. I've seen a couple here before and it gets packed, so if you want to see a concert, make sure you get here very early. We have made our way over to Jimmy Fallon now, and this is kind of interesting. We have a whole bunch of tables set up and a different wardrobe over there as well. So I'm wondering if there's going to be a private event. Now, we know that some executives did go into Jimmy Fallon's ride a couple days ago, and I think they got a chance to ride it and everything else like that. Walls are down, and we're going to show you that in just a second. Everything here on the outside of the building looks about the same. But yeah, some sort of shindig's going down. At the front of the building now, and no changes really that I can see, except for walls are down. So we can see right here in front of the entrance, all the walls are down. We do have some staff members. The marquee right there does have The Tonight Show and NBC Studios right there on it. And I know it's been lit up over the last couple days. Hopefully we see it tonight. Jimmy was also lit up. And of course, all the guests are enjoying themselves inside the Tonight Shop. But yeah, we're just waiting for soft opening, which should hopefully happen soon. But some things to note, of course, team member previews will happen before any soft openings. So as soon as we hear about that, we'll let you know as we're getting closer. In order to get our next shop, we had to venture inside the Tonight Shop. And we can see right here, walls are down for the exit stairs, now replaced with a velvet rope. We do have some people up at the top kind of guarding right here. But yeah, we know executives have been on the ride. So hopefully, we're not too far away from getting on it ourselves. Ah yes, the beautiful marquee here. And we have the NBC Studios and Tonight Show, Race to New York, starring Jimmy Fallon. And again, this has been lit up over the last couple nights. Hopefully we see it. But yeah, all the work walls are down here. We have some people, of course, guarding the entrance. But very soon, we'll be on it. More merchandise all over the place right here next to the courtyard. We have some beads, everything else like that. Universal Studios hoodies. Again, the Mardi Gras 2017 shirt and light up stuff everywhere. And then, of course, we have this guy right here. Lots of beautiful flowers, but the big thing I wanted to show you, food. We have lots of food here at Mardi Gras. They're making it hot and fresh right here. They do have the inner line. This area is funnel puffs and beignets, so not bad on the price either. It looks like $7.99 for most everything, as we can see right here. Beignets are $6.49. So yeah, very exciting stuff, and we can actually go over here and get a preview of it, and that's what we're going to do right now. So we'll walk through the line and show you. So they have all the registers set up, and then here's the display of the food that they have. So yeah, there's the beignet on the right, and then the other item on the left. Looks very, very tasty, and not a bad price. Live entertainment all over the place here too. Well, you can't come to a Universal Studios special event without having a bar, and we have a bar right here with all sorts of awesome drinks, and these are the ones that are available right here. So we have the Masquerade Madness, the Carnival Cocktail, and the Raisin Rumbalaya, it looks like. So $11.99 for the refills, and it's $14.99 for the original drink. And we have these fine bartenders right here serving it up, and that's one of the drinks right there. Again, you can take it home today. Fast and Furious, and we're getting our look here at night. Normally we get a look during the day, but we're here for Mardi Gras. Most everything looks about the same as we zoom inside. Well, that's where most of the work is happening right now. And then on the outside of the building, I know they've been doing a little painting, but yeah, pretty much the same view that we normally get. And the lights are on for Jimmy Fallon in the outside of the building here, but nothing on Jimmy himself. The parade is only minutes away and people are lining the streets waiting for beads. This is an awesome part of the night and we're hoping to catch a whole bunch. guys, that is going to do it for another Universal Orlando Resort construction update for Jimmy Fallon and Fast and Furious. As we saw with Jimmy Fallon, all the walls are down, and we are much closer to that opening date in April. Hopefully we have some soft openings very, very soon. We'll let you know if anything happens with that. And of course, Jimmy Fallon is going to be here doing some live tapings. As soon as we hear about those live taping dates, we'll let you know if tickets are available, of course. Fast and Furious, well, it was a little bit slow over there. We didn't really see all that much, but we're going to have more updates from here and from other places from around the world. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, our Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I'll see you out on the Midway.